Hello ladies and welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you are watching my video, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get new video updates. The licorice plant is a beautiful herb with numerous health advantages. It also has numerous skin advantages, ranging from skin whitening to anti-inflammatory effects. If you suffer from eczema, psoriasis or hyperpigmentation, licorice aids in the reversal of hyperpigmentation, a condition in which the skin develops dark areas or spots, making it appear uneven in tone and texture. Licorice includes a chemical that helps to stop discoloration in its tracks during and shortly after sun exposure, in addition to brightening skin already damaged by the sun. Well, let's get started with this amazing recipe. All we need here is 2 tablespoons of licorice, 1 cup of hot water. Put licorice in hot water in a container and keep it away from the light for one night. The next day, strain the water with a strainer. And add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix well and put it on a low heat until you get this texture. Let it cool. Now, add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. And 3 capsules of vitamin E. Mix well and put it in a container. You can keep it in the fridge for 1 week. Try it every day. Clean your face with your cleanser and apply this cream over your face and neck and eyes. You can apply it on your body too. So simple and easy, and the result just wow. Try it and you will see the results yourself after a few days. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend, and thank you so much for watching.